You earn well, you save consistently, you have invested in a few things, a SACCO, land maybe an apartment. But if you are honest, you still don't feel financially secure. That gap you're feeling, it's not about income. It's about 3 decisions you haven't been shown. Most high-earning Kenyan professionals are not failing financially because they lack income. They are failing because they make the wrong 3 decisions. Not bad products, not bad opportunities, not even bad intentions, just the wrong decisions. You can invest in land in Kitengela, you can buy SACCO shares, you can put money in money market funds, insurance policies, even apartments, and still end up stuck. By the end of this video, you'll understand why buying good investments is not enough. The 3 decisions that actually determine whether you build wealth or stay stuck, and how to start making smarter financial moves immediately. Hi, my name is Manyara Kirago. For over 20 years, I have worked with high-earning professionals across Kenya, from companies such as Safaricom, Citibank, Unilever, and many others. And I've also worked closely with private clients, people who started out exactly where you are, earning well, but unsure how to turn that income into real lasting wealth. Today, many of them own multi-unit apartment buildings. They generate consistent rental income and have moved from salary dependence to financial independence. Let's address the real problem. Most professionals believe this: if I choose the right investment product, I will succeed financially. So what do? They buy land, they buy SACCO shares, unit trusts, insurance policies, off-plan apartments, etc. And each time they are told, this is a good investment. And it is. That's what makes this mistake so dangerous. Myth number 1, this is a good investment, so it will work for me. It sounds logical, but here is the truth. A good product in the wrong structure, at the wrong time, with the wrong risk will fail you. The cost? Cash flow pressure, debt stress, and delayed financial freedom. Myth number 2, you just need to diversify more. So you spread your money, some in the SACCO, some in money market funds, some in land, and some in stocks. You feel responsible, but the truth, you have created financial confusion, not strategy. Myth number 3, if I earn more, I will fix this. This is the most dangerous one because it keeps you on the salary treadmill. Higher income, higher expenses, same confusion. Here is the truth that most people never learn. Your financial future is not determined by products. It is determined by 3 decisions: allocation, timing, and risk. Let me say that again. Your financial success is not about what you buy. It's about where you put your money, when you put it there, and how much risk you're taking. Allocation, timing, and risk. That is the game. And once you understand this, everything changes. It matters because right now in Kenya, cost of living is rising, education costs are through the roof, and job security is no longer guaranteed. You cannot afford to experiment with your money. You need structure, you need clarity, you need decisions, not products. Let me give you a real example. I had a client who was a senior manager in a multinational company. Good salary, very disciplined, but financially stuck. Here is what he had. He had savings in the SACCO, an insurance policy, a piece of land in Thika, and a small unit trust account. On paper, he looked like he was doing everything right. But in reality, he had no meaningful cash flow, no clear plan, and no direction. Every investment was isolated, no structure. When we worked together, we didn't start with products. We started with 3 decisions: allocation, timing, and risk. We restructured his finances completely, redirected capital, focused on income-generating assets. Within a few years, he had acquired a multi-unit rental apartment property. Rental income started covering major expenses, financial pressure reduced, and confidence increased. The same income, different decisions, different outcome. Let's break the 3 decision framework down simply. Decision number 1, allocation, where your money goes. This is the most important. Not all money should go into the same type of investment. For instance, if your money is in land, SACCO, and insurance, you may have assets, but you have no cash flow. Good allocation creates income. Bad allocation creates frustration. Decision number 2, timing, when to invest. Timing is not about guessing markets. It's about stage of life. At 40 plus, your focus should shift from accumulation to income, from savings to assets, from security to freedom. Wrong timing leads to delayed results and missed opportunities. Decision number 3, risk, or how you manage uncertainty. Every investment has risk. The question is not, is this risky? The question is the risk appropriate for my goal? Example, speculative land is equal to high uncertainty. Rental property is equal to structured, predictable income. Wrong risk is equal to instability. Right risk is equal to growth and control. Now, I know you might be thinking, but I don't have enough money to do this. Not true. Most people don't lack money, they lack structure. You might be thinking it's too risky. Unstructured investing is what is risky. Structured investing reduces risk. If you don't know where to start, that's very common, and that's the exact problem that we solve. You've been relying on salespeople, not strategy. What if I make the wrong decisions? You already are by guessing. The solution is guidance. Here is what you can do starting this month. Step 1, assess your current position. What do you own? What does it produce? Be honest. Step 2, define your goal. Do you want prestige or financial freedom? These are very different paths. Step 3, review your allocation. Where is your money really going? Is it working for you? Step 4, learn basic investment principles. Understand cash flow, return, risk, not in theory, in practice. Step 5, get a structured plan. Stop guessing. Start following a proven path. This is exactly what I help my clients do inside the Financial Freedom Coaching Program. We don't just talk about money. We build structured plans, income-generating portfolios, long-term financial clarity. If you are a high-earning professional and you're serious about turning your income into real financial freedom, this is your next step. Book a free financial freedom strategy session with me. In this session, we'll do 3 important things. First, you'll get a clear, honest picture of your financial position today. No guesswork. Second, we'll map out a personalized strategy to convert your income into real assets. And third, you'll walk away with a clear action plan, what to do, what to prioritize, and how to start. No theory, no generic advice, just a clear path forward. If you're ready to move from earning well to building real wealth, click the link in the description below and book your session now. And before you go, I would like to hear from you. Have you ever invested in something that looked like a good deal but didn't actually move you forward financially? What happened? Please share in the comments. If this video helped you see things differently, please like this video. Share it with somebody who needs it and subscribe for more. Because my mission is simple: to help Kenyan professionals move from salary dependence to financial freedom. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.